this is a big test to see how this all works out, because now we've got the camera going and we've got the audio going as well. Time to put on some gloves and go for a bit of a ride. Bit of a setup to do it, but should all work well, and we'll see what happens, eh? Rolling back a bit. Oh, there we go. And away we go. Rightio. Okay, so it's a bit of an overcast day today, so hopefully it won't be too cold on the bike. We're going to take a run out to, probably out to Chidlow, and maybe have a bit of lunch out there, and then cruise back again, see how we go, with all the cloud cover that's about at the moment. But the main thing is I just want to have a look and see how this works out with the microphone tucked inside the helmet now, because obviously the GoPro microphone doesn't really work all that well, especially if it's sitting outside the helmet. I'm trying to talk through the helmet. But it's a bit of a chilly sort of a day, but at least it's not raining like it has been the last few days. Going along Riley Road here now, a few of the acacia trees, the yellow ones, they're out in bloom, and last couple of mornings walking along the bridle trail, well, had my jacket open, got a bit cool inside, but walking along the bridle trail, there's a few of the donkey orchids out, and some of the leschenolti are out as well. Yeah, so should be. We're just going to take it nice and easy. As I say, I was going to go up to Gidgigana, but I think I'll give that a miss today. Just take a run out to Chidlow. Have a cup of coffee and see how we go. I don't know if you can hear the bike actually purring along. This is one crazy roundabout, this one. One crazy roundabout. The guy who developed that, I think he was just trying to justify his position at the council. But anyway. needed to take the bike out for a run, definitely. After the last couple of days of, or the last week or so with just rain and more rain, I think today and even tomorrow I think is going to be a good day, so might even go out the next couple of days as well. But for now, this is just going to be a bit of a check. And here we are coming into the town site of Chidlow, the metropolis. Elite Tours, they've been down to Chidlow to have a look around by the looks of it. Oh, looks like they might be having some lunch there too. Well, here we are, back again. Back on the bike. Heading out of Chidlow. Oh, that's where I wanted to go. Mungle. Too late now. Actually, we'll go down here. See where we come out. Right there. Go down here and go around the block. Had to go around the block. I'll give you a bit of a sightseeing tour of the metropolis of Chidlow. And now we'll chuck a lefty here. And now we're on the right track again. On the right track again. Take a spin down to the Lake Leschenaultia. Have a quick look down there, see what's happening down there. So, whoops, easy. What have we got there? Roadworks. So this being the first test run with the GoPro and the separate microphone, There's going to be some hiccups when I put it together, but hopefully it won't be too bad. But the idea is bloody good because being able to have the separate sound and then just sync it up with the video, post-production, should work out quite good. Major roadworks here. Whoa! Always got to be friendly to the lollipop people. They always do a good job down there, around there. Oh, we've got a few cars in here today. A few people around by the looks of it. There's an event. Oh, I wonder what sort of an event that is. Wouldn't be swimming, would it? No. Too friggin' cold for that. I wonder what the event is. Oh, I've got a few coaches here.